My name is Chris Jorman, and I had a lot of problems with both knees. I got in contact by recommendation to Dr. Boerger, and the first moment I saw him, I had the feeling I'm in the right hand. He was very friendly, and in the way he talked to me, I trusted him from the beginning. And he explained everything, what is very important in details. What is the next step? What is the next step afterwards? And what is the recommendation? And he recommended to me the bilateral partial prothesis on the knees. And I agreed immediately. And immediately I felt so confident that I said, okay, I don't have to think about more. Just let's make an appointment. Because I'm myself a doctor and I notice already what is important. And the important part is that the chemie between two persons, that means between the doctor and the patient, should be on the highest level. And that it was. At that time already I had a lot of pain. In the last 2 months before the operation, sometimes I had to crawl on all like 4 legs. It was so painful, and painkiller I took, it didn't help anything. So there had to be done something. He recommended me, you can get some injection, but it only helps for 3 months and you have to repeat and repeat and repeat. He explained to me this Oxford operation, and I said to Dr. Boerger immediately, please, let's done both in the same time. After the operation, I stayed in the intensive care part of the hospital. He came to me, I was already out of the anesthesia, hardly any pain. He asked me, do you have pain? He explained to me everything, and he told me everything on both sides went very well. As a doctor myself, I was in my life gynecologist and obstetric. I was not so keen to stay anymore in hospital, so on Wednesday already in the morning I left and had contact with Dr. Boerger the next days by video camera, because I live in Slovenia. I was at home, I felt very well, hardly any pain. He gave me a lot of painkillers, different kind of quality, but I hardly used anything. It was everything. And after 5 days, I must say, I canceled the friendships with the crutches, throw them away, and try to walk around in the house on myself. So this went everything very fine. I was more and more happy. After half a year, we saw again, and was no complaint from my side, and was everything well done. And compare what I suffered before, now it started to be like zero with pain and everything. But he told me before already, with a patient, it can take 1 year, the whole procedure. And after half a year, I said, the year is over more or less. And we saw after 1 year him again, and was everything perfect. And nowadays, I feel like normal when I'm walking. Just recently, he told me the new study, you can go even back to start slowly jogging, what was up to that time actually not recommended. But the new science said you can start. So what I did now slowly too, and no complaint. I was in the best hand I ever have been before, and I feel so happy that I really decided to go through this kind of procedure.